Isang masidhing damdamin ang ibinahagi ng isang fan ng SB19 or tinatawag na 18 hinggil sa rumored ng pag-ibig ng mga boys or ng SB19 members. Narito ang kanyang open letter. Ani Charity, there's a thin line between being a fan and being too attached. Aniya, of course, we all have our delulu moments. That's part of loving artists. But the people we admire are human too. They grow, they fall in love, they date, and someday they may choose to marry someone. We may have imagined what it would feel like to be with them, and that's normal. But the truth is, no matter how deep our admiration is, we do not have a romantic relationship with them. Loving them does not give us the right to control their lives of their choices. As a fandom, respect should always come first. We should never respond with anger toward them or toward the person they choose to love. If we truly care, we will want what brings them peace, stability, and happiness. As fans, we should be the first to make them feel safe and comfortable. Our support should be a place they can be or they can breathe, not something they have to fear. They continue to stand on stage, create music, and share their lives because of love, not pressure. Let us not be the reason they grow tired, get hurt, or slowly lose the joy in doing what they love for us. Instead, let us be the reason they feel encouraged to keep going. They are already at the right age to date, to love, and to live their lives fully. Supporting them means trusting them, respecting their choices, and cheering for their happiness, even when it does not include us. Aminin man o hindi, maraming mga 18 ang talaga namang hindi naniniwala sa rumor date na naispatan ang SB19 na si Josh sa isa nga pong member din ng isang P-pop group. At ganun din naman ang SB19 na si Ken. In denial nga ang ibang mga fans, pero ganun pa man, maraming mga fans ang sumusuporta sa kanilang love life. Bakit nga ba ngayon nangyayari? Dahil say ng iba, malaya ang boys ngayon dahil medyo maluwag ang kanilang schedule. Baka naman nagkaroon talaga sila ng time para sa dating doon sa mga babaeng napupusuan nila. And ayon nga sa napakagandang mensahe na ito ng 18, dapat may safe place na open sila na ipakita dahil unang-unang makakaunawa sa kanila ay ang fans na tunay nagmamahal sa kanila. Anong masisay nyo sa naging pagbabahagi na ito at open letter ng isang SB19 fan? Sa mga kapwa 18, agree ba kayo sa kanya? Ilagay ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section dahil yan po ay mahalaga sa amin. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.